Namaste. If your income has only one source, you're living dangerously close to zero, a precarious situation many face today. The average millionaire doesn't rely on a single paycheck. Instead, they meticulously build multiple income streams that grow quietly even when they're not actively working. In this video, we'll explore exactly why this strategy matters, how millionaires construct these streams step by step, and how you can begin building your own, even with a demanding 9-to-5 job. Welcome to Future Mind Wealth, where our mission is to reprogram your mind for true financial freedom and lasting prosperity. Most people depend solely on one paycheck, a single lifeline that, when it stops, inevitably leads to immense stress and uncertainty. Consider the implications. One boss controls your income, one company dictates your time, and a single market crash can swiftly erase years of hard-earned savings. Millionaires grasp this crucial lesson early in their journey. They don't build just one source of money, but rather an intricate system that earns from multiple, diverse directions. This isn't about sheer luck or chance. It's a deliberate, well-thought-out design for financial stability and growth. Let's delve into how millionaires systematically build these layers of income, creating a robust financial foundation. First, there's active income, typically their primary job or main business, which serves as the essential funding source for all other ventures. Next, investment income, derived from stocks, mutual funds, or REITs, represents money diligently working for them even while they sleep. Then, business income, which involves owning a brand, product, or service that operates efficiently through well-established systems. Digital income encompasses online courses, ebooks, affiliate marketing, or revenue generated from platforms like YouTube, leveraging the power of the internet. Finally, real estate income, generated through property rent or appreciation, provides a tangible asset that consistently yields returns. They view each new stream as an additional level of freedom, a safeguard against unforeseen financial challenges. Even if one stream falters, the others continue to sustain the entire system, ensuring wealth remains stable, scalable, and stress-free. So, how can you, too, embark on this journey to build your own multiple income streams? Step 1. Stabilize your active income. This means ensuring a steady primary income and consistently saving at least 10 to 20% of it monthly. Step 2. Pick one income stream that you understand best and are passionate about, whether it's content creation, digital products, or investing. Step 3. Automate growth. Reinvest the profits from your initial stream back into itself or into your next income layer, creating a compounding effect. The key is not to chase 10 ideas simultaneously. Instead, start with one, perfect it, and then duplicate that successful formula. Remember, millionaires don't merely ask, "How can I earn more money?" Their fundamental question is, "How can I make money earn for me?" It's a profound shift in mindset, moving from merely working within a system to actively owning and controlling the system itself. That, my friends, is the true path to enduring financial freedom and peace of mind. So, ask yourself today, if your one income source suddenly stopped, how long could you truly remain calm and secure?